to Pendennis in North Tamerton. It's a very quiet village. You can see the village church there. Used to be the school across the road. The property is in need of total restoration. It's been in the same family for very many years and now is waiting for a new owner. Got parking at the side as well as the garden we were just in, which runs up the road, as you can see. Property is double fronted, it is attached, so it's a semi-detached property. Let's give you a little view up there and I'll take you inside. This is the kitchen obviously, there's no rear garden other than just a short corridor along the back there, so you could maintain the outside of the property. You could take this down, this wall here, and increase the size of the kitchen to give you a great dining area. Not sure where that door goes to, but there is a cellar area under the property, so I've got a feeling it goes to there.